and beg at locals' homes at a tribal village in Madhya Pradesh for relief from a drought-like situation and to appease the rain gods. Officials said that the incident happened in Damoh district on Sunday as a part of a ritual. The National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has sought a report from the Damoh district administration. A video that emerged reportedly shows at least 6 bare-body girls of about 5 years of age walking together with a wooden shaft on their shoulders with a frog tied to it. A group of women were also seen singing devotional songs and following the procession. The girls visited every household in the village and begged for flour, pulses and staple food cereals. The collected items were then donated for a community lunch or a bhandara at a village temple. All residents have to mandatorily remain present during the ritual. In another clipping, some women said that the practice would help of the young girls. Damoh Superintendent of Police said that the police came to know